Hey guys, I'm back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about the problems that I am facing in Amazfit GTS 2 Mini after long-term uses. So these are the problems I am facing recently in Amazfit GTS 2 Mini after the recent update. So this will be a sick video guys. If you are a tech enthusiast and you like tech videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this watch is a really good watch in the price range of 6,999, and this watch has now the Alexa support also. So if you are planning to buy this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, make sure you are watching all my videos regarding this watch. So the biggest problems which I am facing right now is this watch is getting unresponsive quite often, and when it is getting unresponsive, nothing will happen. It will only show a black screen, and if you touch the crown also it will not wake up. So it is happening after I am setting the always on watch face as follow correct watch face, and after you set that option, the watch is getting unresponsive quite a bit after the latest update, and I am seeing that at that time nothing will happen. If you press the crown, if you shake it, if you lift your wrist to wake it up, nothing will work at that time. So maybe Amazfit is fixing this in the next update. Till then, this issue is coming into Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. The second problem which I am facing with Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is with the battery life. So what is happening guys is, if I am putting this watch in somewhere for like when I am not using it, then sometimes the battery life will go to absolute zero. Like if it has 100% battery also, it will go directly to zero, and at that time what will happen, if I am trying to wake the watch up by clicking on the crown and all the things, the watch will not respond, and you have to charge it again and then only the watch will respond. So this is a major problem because you will be using the watch every single day, but if the battery is getting over in this smartwatch, then that will be a major problem with this smartwatch. So definitely you should be keeping in mind if you are buying Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Not always this happens, but sometimes like 1 or 2 times it will happen. So I want to make sure that you know all these things before you buy this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. The third problem which I am facing with this smartwatch is with the sleep data. So there is an option for sleep data, and it is quite accurate. The sleep data it is showing everything is good. Here there is no sleep data, but when I will be resting this smartwatch on a table or somewhere else, what will happen, it will automatically calculate sleep data. So if you are not wearing the watch also, sleep data will be calculated in this watch. This happened to my smartwatch GTS 2 Mini quite a times, like couple of times, and I was just surprised to see that the sleep data it is counting even if I am not wearing this watch. So definitely that's a bummer for this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Maybe Amazfit are looking into these issues and they will be fixing in the next update. The fourth problem which I face with the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is everything is good, but there is an option for calculating the stress. So stress measurement option is there, but if I'm clicking that and if I'm wearing this watch and clicking on the stress, let me show you what happens. So whenever you will be wearing the watch and clicking on the stress measurement option, and if you click on measure, so it will be saying to you to remain still. So let's see what it is doing. So it is showing that wear the watch properly while measuring. So let me wear the watch properly. I have already worn the watch properly, but I don't know why it shows this type of error messages. So let's measure it again and check whether the stress measurement is doing properly or not. So it is telling me to remain still, and I am still right now. So it is measuring the stress levels right now. So let's see what is happening. It is saying to keep the screen face up, and also to remain still, and also to wear the watch tight. so everything I am doing, but you can see the stress, it is not getting measured in this smartwatch. So it is happening couple of times, and I have seen that it is unable to measure the stress levels properly, and this option is not working that much in this Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So you can see it is still taking time to measure the stress, and after a while you will be saying measurement failed. So this is the problem I am facing with Amazfit GTS 2 mini. If I click on again to measure, let's see what happens. So it is telling me to keep the arm in a horizontal place. So what I will do, I will just hold this arm like this so that it will be faced up and also in the horizontal place. And you can see that same thing I am doing right now. It is in a horizontal place, screen is facing up, I have worn the watch tightly, and you can see that the stress is still getting measured, but there are no measurement calculations till yet for this Amazfit GTS 2 mini. It is still calculating, and you can see that again the measurement has been failed. So this is a real big problem for Amazfit GTS 2 mini. I don't know why it is not happening. The stress level, it is not able to calculate properly, and I have seen it multiple times. So these are the main problems which I am facing with the Amazfit GTS 2 mini right now after the long-term uses. So hope Amazfit will be fixing these issues with the next update, and we will be getting a better watch from Amazfit definitely. So that's it guys, I hope you will be liking this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.